Hey, greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me today. All right, viewers, what do you think? That's my new introduction. A little information for the uninformed. I appreciate all of you who watch my show. This is, I think, some of the best mediocre automotive content on YouTube. And you have all helped me reach 5,000 subscribers. I'm so excited to have 5,000 subscribers. And I wanted to say about like, subscribe, comment. You saw the title of the video. Like, subscribe, comment. Your big shows, and I love them too. I watch them and I always like and subscribe. They make Patreon and they have millions of subscribers, shit like that. I have 5,000, lots of little shows, don't have a lot, but they could have more if you would like, subscribe, and comment. And I've said lots of times that's free, easy, and painless. It really is. Stop, do it right now. No, don't stop doing it right now. Stop and do it right now. It's real easy, no matter whether you're on your phone, your tablet, your TV, or what you're doing. You can like, subscribe, and comment. And if you think it's not important, I'm pretty fortunate. I have 24% of return subscribers. That doesn't seem like much, but some shows only have 5 or 6%. But if you like, subscribe, and comment, it's free, easy, and painless. Liking helps my show. Like I say, we don't get paid except for our viewer support. I hate saying sorry. But anyway, viewer support is what keeps shows like mine going. The positive comments, I love all the positive comments that I get. And yeah, that really helps me want to keep doing my show. But as far as getting paid, everything I've done on my show for 5 years, 200 plus videos, that's all out of my pocket. But if you like, subscribe, and comment, you'll support my show. You'll help bring my algorithms at YouTube up. There are so many things we get graded on, you wouldn't even believe it. But anyway, like, subscribe, comment. You don't have to comment, but if you subscribe, costs you nothing, and you'll get my videos up in your feed occasionally and more often, but it'll set over there and you're subscribed. You don't ever have to watch my show again. And this is for all your favorite shows. If you like it, bring up the thumbs up, hit it real quick, like it. It doesn't matter if you really liked it. I would like for you to, but anyway, if you just hit that like, boom, helps us out. Subscribe helps us out. Comments help us out. There's lots of other things like how long you watch, do you have commercials, etc., and so on and so forth. None of that is what I came to talk to you about. 5,000 subscribers. I love you guys. I'm touched. I never thought my show would get to this. Do I get paid? A little bit. Would I like to get paid more? You betcha. I spend a lot of money, like on the wheeling truck here, my Tundra, on my Chevy tow rig, fix or flip, fix or fleet, fix and flip, fix and fleet. I've done that a couple times. I got one in there I'm working on. Anyway, like, subscribe, and comment. You can click the bells and shit like that if you want. I hate asking, but I do. Oh, excuse me, America. More wheeling videos coming up, more shorts. You guys seem to like those a lot. I got a lot going on at Funjunkie Garage, and I'm excited for 2025. I'm super excited that I got 5,000 viewers right at the beginning. Like you guys know, I had brain surgery in 2024, and I'm super happy to have survived that. I'm going on. This video is getting longer than it should, but a lot of you people who watch, man, I appreciate you if you watch and you don't want to do any of that stuff because, you know, the government's tracking you or whatever. I don't care if you don't. I'd like that you watch my show. I love the positive comments I get from people who say, I watched one show and they like made it sound like holy shit. Then I watched your show and you're sitting in the dirt and doing it. So that's my goal, is to make you get out there, wheel, build something, turn a wrench, buy a welder, whatever it is. I love you guys, I really do. I think I have some of the best mediocre automotive content on the YouTubes. So like, subscribe, and comment. It's free, easy, and painless. And it really helps us YouTube guys out to make a nice show. If you click on the show and you see that they don't have hardly any subscribers, especially if they're under 1,000, give them a freaking subscribe. It ain't gonna hurt you. It's free, easy, and painless. I love you guys. Have a super great day.